Well, maybe not. At least that one. That one's pretty rotted. Okay, fuel tank is out. Get you over on the other side. Got the bumper and hitch off. She looks pretty bad. So I'm gonna needle scale that. Try to pull as much rust out as I can. But we're gonna have to do some patching here. I might have to cut out all the bolts. The hanger or the leaf spring mount still looks good, but I would feel a lot better if I just plated all this off and just re-drilled the new metal. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit that with a needle scaler and a chipper and clean all this up, see what we got left.